Yan. Maanghang ito guys. Yan o. Yun o. Yan o. Ayan.
Yan, subukan daw niya.
I am gonna try now. Guys, that is leftover lechon, and now we're gonna make sisig.
Crunchy, ayun o. Oh. Diba?
Lechon tastes very yummy. We're gonna just cut
Pagka hindi
some
namin
more.
naubos, gagawin naming sisig ni Supuriman.
Yeah,
Sarap. Sarap ito.
it's very yummy.
Tasty.
Tasty.
Oops.
Now they're putting down here.
Yan.
Some more.
Marami pa to guys.
Just have it up.
This is tasty.
Tasty. Right now, choosing some. Cut. Put it on the pot.
Hmm?
You also need some meat. Meat is good too. Meat is good too. It gives you, I think, meat gives you strength.
I'm gonna try. This. There's some meat here. Delicious. How about delicious?
Medyo marami-rami din yung na-cut natin, oh. Yung leftover na lechon. Kaya nalagyan namin ng sibuyas na pula ni Supuriman.
Onion, I'm getting away. It is onion. She's cutting it down. I don't want to really laugh because like it's gonna make me cry. Onion does make you cry. So I'm gonna go away from onion.
But onion is healthy food.
Yeah.
Antioxidant. Right?
Yeah, but since the antioxidants competes with the eye, it makes it tingle and then cry. Is this some onion? Trying to make me cry. That is now. The onion until the lechon looks.
Yeah.
Slow.
Slide. Look at that. And then,
We'll put some pepper.
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 pepper. Okay.
My dad is cutting red pepper, hot pepper. Very hot. Cut it. It'll feel hot.
You like this one?
What?
Jalapeno.
Jalapenos. I didn't know that.
Lagyan namin ng ano, pure calamansi.
Salamansi.
Calamansi juice. Yan. Good. Tapos lagyan natin ng ano,
Mayo.
Japanese mayo, guys. Ha? Look at that.
And then you're gonna mix it.
Yeah. Mix, mix, mix.
Mix, mix, mix.
Okay, and then
Tingnan natin kung masarap kung sisig ito Supuriman. Ha?
Hey guys, so my dad is keep mixing it. So mix, mix, mix. Already looks like sisig.
Mm. Ayan, subukan daw niya.
I am gonna try now. Red pepper going in.
Yan. Maanghang ito guys. Yan o. Yun o. Yan o. Ayan. Guys, ito na yung ulam ni Supuriman o. Nag-uulam din siya ng sisig. Yan o. Tsaka okra. Oh.
Daddy has some too.
Ito naman yung pagkain ko guys, oh, yan, oh. Yan, sisig, okra, tsaka ito, oh. Itlog ng dinosaur. Ito, oh. Brussels sprout. Nagi St. George.